Do you think these socks are ready for the trash? Discover the laundry worker's secret to keeping socks brilliantly white. You can whiten them using a simple homemade method without expensive or harsh bleach products. Gray discoloration, yellow stains, and dark marks often remain even after several washes. Take a bowl and add a small amount of sugar. Sugar dissolves easily in water and may help soften dried-on dirt, allowing the fabric to absorb the prepared mixture more effectively. Now make your own homemade whitening solution. Pour a little vinegar into the bowl. Vinegar contains acetic acid, which can help remove unpleasant odors and dissolve some of the residue left on fabrics. Next, add some baking soda. Baking soda has mild cleaning properties and helps freshen fabrics, which is why it is often used in household cleaning. Squeeze in the juice of half a lemon as well. Lemons are rich in citric acid, known for its brightening properties and their ability to help fabrics feel fresh again. Add all the ingredients to the bowl, along with about 1 cup of warm water, and mix everything thoroughly. Once the mixture is ready, place the dirty socks in it and let them soak for a few minutes so the fabric can absorb the solution well. Then, gently rub the fabric between your hands, paying special attention to the dirtiest areas. Perfectly clean socks that look almost brand new regain their freshness, a brighter color, and a pleasant scent. Even heavily soiled and gray-looking socks can end up looking nearly newly purchased, giving the impression of being completely refreshed. Drop 2 tablets into your white laundry. The results will be stunning. Don't throw away expired aspirin tablets just yet. It turns out they have hidden properties perfect for washing white clothes. Aspirin has whitening effects, making it ideal for removing yellow stains caused by sweat or food. Dissolve a few aspirin tablets in a bowl of warm water, then soak the clothes you want to whiten for 15 minutes. Afterward, place them in the washing machine and run a cycle. Alternatively, you can toss whole aspirin tablets directly into the washing machine. Besides brightening your whites, aspirin also helps reduce limescale buildup inside the machine. The results are immediate. Clothes come out brighter, and stubborn stains disappear. Did you know aspirin could be used this way? Sprinkle this on your laundry. Once you see the difference, you'll want to do it every day. Get a bowl and place your laundry inside. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of salt over it, followed by 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Next, pour in enough hot water to cover the laundry. Let it soak for a few minutes. Salt helps maintain color intensity, which is especially important for colored lingerie. It prevents fading. Baking soda softens fabrics, especially delicate materials like lace. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it a great disinfectant. After soaking, rinse the laundry thoroughly under running water. Dry it in a well-ventilated area, avoiding direct sunlight, which can affect color durability. It's a simple and effective trick. Thanks to these balls, my laundry is snow white without bleach. After this trick, you'll stop buying expensive chemicals. You only need a few ingredients to make them yourself. The combination of these ingredients will work wonders for white laundry. First, grate the soap on a coarse grater. It is the cheapest disinfectant. It effectively removes hard-to-clean stains. Transfer the soap shavings to a bowl. Next, add half a cup of baking soda to the bowl with the soap. It is one of the most popular cleaning and laundry agents. It effectively removes stains and discolorations. Then, pour in 60 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide. This not only effectively removes stains and whitens materials, but also acts as a disinfectant. Mix the prepared ingredients with your hands and form small balls from the resulting mixture. Press firmly to maintain their shape. Place them on another plate and let them dry a bit. Throw them into the drum every time you wash towels, bedding, or white clothes. After washing, you will notice the difference. Everything will be much whiter than usual. Do not hang wet clothes this way. You can fit many more pieces of clothing in the dryer. Most people hang clothes on the metal crossbars of the dryer. This way, only 5 shirts fit on one wing. It turns out that many more can fit on this part of the dryer. Take some clothespins and grab the shirt by the bottom, then fasten it across the wing. Next, hang another shirt in the same way. With this method, you can hang up to 10 shirts. Hang them side by side on the lower rack. Not only will you use space more efficiently, but the clothes will also dry faster. Fabrics hung like this have much better airflow. Thanks to this drying method, ironing is also much more enjoyable. Clothes straighten out under their own weight. Add it to your wash, and even the most delicate shoes will come out bright white like new. You just need to wash them differently than usual. You don't have to scrub sneakers or other sports shoes by hand, which is tiring and time-consuming. You can wash even a single pair in the machine, and it will handle them well, even without a special shoe cycle. Choose a delicate fabric program, set a low temperature of about 100 Fahrenheit, and use a low spin speed. To keep the shoes from moving around the drum and rubbing against each other, add a thick terry towel to the wash. You can even use 2 towels. They protect the shoes during washing and spinning and help them clean more effectively. Your shoes will come out looking bright, fresh, and perfectly clean. My grandmother taught me this method. Pour the liquid into molds. I'll show you an unusual trick you'll thank me for. Start by taking a silicone mold. You can use molds in different shapes. Pour laundry detergent with your favorite scent and color into the molds. The next important ingredient is baking soda. It works as a natural cleaner and helps keep your washing machine drum clean. It also neutralizes unpleasant odors. Add a bit of baking soda to each mold and mix thoroughly. Now take laundry scent booster beads and add them to each mold. These beads intensify the fragrance and provide additional freshness. This combination works better than simply adding the beads directly to your laundry. Place the prepared discs in the freezer and store them until needed. Once frozen, take one disc out of the mold and place it directly into the washing machine drum with your clothes. During the wash cycle, the disc will slowly dissolve, releasing a beautiful scent and refreshing your laundry. Your clothes will come out soft, fragrant, and fresher than ever. Even after a week in the closet, they'll still smell amazing. I guarantee that once you try this method, you'll use it all the time. I got rid of all my fabric softeners. I replaced them with this homemade natural one. Regular softeners often stay on the fabric, can irritate your skin, and have very strong scents. Making your own is incredibly simple. Grab a tall jar and some lavender. It's a super versatile plant, and you can buy it in 2 common forms: dried sprigs with flowers, or just dried lavender buds, already separated from the stems and ready to use. Both versions smell intense, and the fragrance lasts a long time, which is why lavender is used so often around the house. Chop the lavender and add it to the jar. Now take vinegar. It helps soften fabrics, neutralizes bad odors, and keeps laundry feeling fresh. Pour the vinegar over the lavender, close the jar, and set it aside for a few days. After that, the liquid will turn a beautiful color and start smelling amazing. Prepare a second tall jar and a strainer. Strain everything so you're left with a clean, clear liquid. And that's it. Your homemade lavender fabric softener is ready. Open the detergent drawer in your washing machine and pour a little into the softener compartment. You don't need much. Then wash as usual. Lavender leaves a subtle, beautiful scent, and the vinegar softens and refreshes the fabric. This homemade softener works great for bedding, towels, and everyday clothes. Most importantly, it's gentle on the skin. No unnecessary chemicals, so nothing itches and nothing irritates.